going to go through with you the testing format for economics. You can choose to do economics at a H2 standard, or you can choose to do economics at a H1 standard. So if you choose to do economics at a H2 standard, then there are 2 papers that you need to sit for. So paper 1, you're going to do 2 case studies. So for these 2 case studies, you are given a total amount of time of 2 hours and 30 minutes. So each of those case studies, they will be 30 marks. So the kind of marks that you will see in a case study will be like 2 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks, 8 marks, and 10 marks in a typical case study. One of the case studies tend to be a microeconomics case study, and the other one tend to be more primarily a macroeconomic case study. These 2 case studies will form paper 1, and paper 1 takes up 40% of your total score. Okay, and then for paper 2, you have total of 6 essay questions. So the 6 essay questions, they will usually focus on a specific key topic. So out of these 6 essay questions, you have to pick 3 questions to do. You can do 2 micro questions and 1 macro question, or 2 macro questions and 1 micro question. Sometimes you have a bit of a hybrid questions popping up here and there for the A-levels. The 3 essay questions, they will form total of 60% of your total score, and each essay is worth 25 marks. So that's if you wish to take econs at a H2 standard. Then if you're talking about taking econs at a H1 standard, then econs at H1 standard, you just take 1 paper. So 1 paper, the total amount of time you'll be given for that 1 paper is actually 3 hours, right? And in these 3 hours, you're supposed to deal with 2 case studies, and these 2 case studies each will be 40 marks. Okay, primarily 1 case study will be micro, and 1 case study will be primarily macro questions. Okay, the really next question that a lot of students like to ask is, should I take econs at a H2 standard, or should I take econs at a H1 standard? You can check out the next video in the series to find out more about this.